तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल.
Today I am going to tell you about the thematic perception test, popularly known as TAT. In this test, you are shown 11 black and white pictures, and the 12th slide you are shown is a blank slide. Now, each picture is shown to you for 30 seconds, and thereafter you get 4 minutes to write the story. The process goes on till you reach the 12th and the blank slide. Now, some of the points to observe in this are: firstly, when you start this test, do not think that you are under any kind of time pressure, because that will spoil the quality of your work. There is no panic at all. Be absolutely relaxed. Observe each picture very deliberately without coming under any kind of time pressure. Construct the total story in your mind around one main character. If you are having 2-3 ideas, choose the idea which relates to the picture best. Try to finish the story inside 3 minutes 30 seconds so that you have cushion time. Now, there are certain points I would recommend that you should abide by. First is that main issue in the story should be there. There should be some main issue, and the main character should resolve it. The story should be completed. For example, sometimes people write that Sita's husband was seriously ill, and she started taking care of him, and because they were in financial difficulties, so she started teaching, taking extra tuition classes for children, and that is how they managed. So whether the husband recovered, how they completely solved the problem is not there. So that is an incomplete story. Don't do that. Complete the story. Write that in the 2 months time he recovered, and then he got back to work, and she continued her extra tuition classes because it helped them generate extra income. Okay. The story which you write should be practical. I will give an example of how people can inadvertently write impractical stuff by just trying to exaggerate and show things as of a great significance. Now, example is a picture in which there is a lady filling water in an earthen pot. Now, a person writes that she is filling water from a lake. Now, you cannot be drinking water from a lake, because that's stagnant water. People will fill up water from running streams, rivers, where there is no stagnant water. So this would be wrong. Then some people will write that she had to walk 5 kilometers to fill up water, just to exaggerate, what great job this lady was doing. Now, if you realize that 5 kilometers, if she has walked one way to reach the river, so she will walk back 5 kilometers. So 10 kilometers walk in a day will take her somewhere around 2.5 hours. And if it is hot summer day, half the water she will drink herself before she reaches home. And if she has to carry this pitcher, thrice she has to fill up. So 30 kilometers in a day, if she walks, she would be nothing left in her to do anything else in the day, or life for that matter. So these are impractical things which people, write. So don't do such thing. I've seen there is a picture in which students are seeing something on the notice board in a school or a college. You can visualize that. And then some people write that the NDA examination results were, posted on the school notice board. Now, NDA results are not posted on any school's notice board. This is impractical stuff. Then the story which you write should relate well to the picture. It is very important. Now, I will give some examples to explain this point. Uh, Let us say you are shown the scene of a cemetery and people are wearing European dresses. So the names should also be accordingly. We should be Sam, Mary. If you write Ramkishan, Geeta, now these names are not relating well to the scene. So these small points also indicate what kind of practical sense you have, the presence of mind you have. There is a picture in which there is a kid shown standing next to an elderly lady who seems to be sick. Now, some people would write that he was a college going student. Now, he looks not more than the fifth, sixth class student. So, you can't write that. That would be impractical. There is a picture in which we have three young boys sitting in front of an adult, and they are visibly smaller in size. And people start writing that they were college going students and they were studying agriculture science, and this that they were doing. So it is impractical, it is not relating to the picture. So relationship with the picture is important.